Is your Windows 11 PC running slower than it should? Keeping your computer in top shape doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll share essential Windows 11 maintenance tips that will help your PC run smoothly, efficiently, and without unnecessary lag in 2025. First, let's talk about disk cleanup. Over time, temporary files, cached data, and old system files can pile up, slowing your computer down. Using the built-in disk cleanup tool or Storage Sense in Windows 11 can quickly remove unnecessary files and free up space. Regular cleanup keeps your PC running fast and prevents storage issues. Next, focus on software and system updates. Windows 11 regularly releases updates to improve security, performance, and compatibility. Make sure to install updates for Windows itself, as well as for drivers and your key applications. Keeping everything up to date prevents glitches, fixes bugs, and ensures your PC is protected against vulnerabilities. Another crucial tip is managing startup programs. Many apps automatically start when your PC boots, consuming memory and slowing down load times. Using the Task Manager, you can disable unnecessary startup programs, allowing Windows 11 to start faster and freeing up resources for the tasks that really matter. Don't forget disk optimization. For traditional hard drives, running the defragmentation tool periodically helps reorganize fragmented data, improving read/write speed. While SSDs don't need frequent defragmentation, running Windows' built-in optimization tools helps maintain peak performance. Regular antivirus scans and malware checks are also essential. Even small infections can significantly reduce performance or compromise your files. Windows 11 comes with Microsoft Defender, which provides real-time protection, but you can also use reputable third-party tools for additional security. Finally, review and uninstall unused apps. Old software or bloatware not only takes up storage, but can slow down your system. Periodically checking your installed programs and removing what you don't use keeps your PC cleaner and faster. By following these Windows 11 maintenance tips, you can extend the life of your PC, prevent performance issues, and enjoy a smoother computing experience. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more Windows 11 tutorials and PC optimization tips in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.